We got to Tewkesbury, where we stayed over for a couple of nights, and a load of pop had spilled in the fridge from a burst can and went all over the carpet in front of the fridge and onto the floor. We cleaned the floor up best we could while we were on site and let the carpets dry. But the latex backing said to come in the way, it got absolutely perished. So when we got home, I gave all the carpets a damn good cleaning with a carpet cleaner, which we hired from our local hardware shop. And while Leslie, my wife, was cleaning the caravan from all that pop, best we could get any nooks and crannies, I looked on the internet and see how we could repair the damage on that carpet. Well, I discovered that you can use liquid latex. So I had a look, and Hobbycraft sell it for £9 for 500 millilitres. So I went to get a bottle, and I made a video about how and repair this damage. It wasn't perfect, but that was more my error. So I made a little video, and you can probably learn from this little experience of mine. Enjoy. So we've got the carpet here, and it's a nice sunny day, so it should dry nicely for the first coat if we need any more coats. So you can see the jute backing is coming away because there's no silicone there, it's absolutely perished. So what we're going to do, we're using this liquid latex. I got this from Hobbycraft, £9 for a 500 millilitre bottle. So I've decanted some in this little tray which I used made out of a milk bottle carton, and I'm just going to apply a little bit. It's quite thin, so I'm going to just a little bit. On these patches and see if it works. There's a bit of a smell, so you really need to do this in open. Probably a good idea to just push it down. So I did 2 coats in this bit, which was the worst part, and I come over there. I've done just 1 coat on the not too bad parts. I've gone around just a little bits, nothing much. These were the bad parts. I have gone through a little bit, and you can see that a wee bit. I brushed it with some wire wool, but it's not coming through anymore. So there's a bit of a win, a bit of a learning curve with these carpets. But that goes underneath the fridge, so you probably won't see it as much. It's always a bit of a learning curve, so watch what you're doing. It's on really bad parts. It's could come through a wee bit. A bit disappointed at that, but it's a bit waterproof now. Anyway, let's get back to the caravan. Well, a little bit of user error on my part, but it does work. But keep an eye on what you're doing. So, From me, goodbye, and have a nice time wherever you are. Goodbye.